right, so she's apparently congratulating the president.
Basahin mo na
Kaya nga, ito nga, sir. Let's see
Ikaw
here,
lang naman
December
ang
14.
nagbabasa. Hindi
The
naman.
Duterte administration must be congratulated. The latest poverty estimates based on the 2018 family income show that the percentage of families who fall below the poverty threshold fell from 17.9 to 12.9. And then several paragraphs. She concludes, anyway, congratulations again, Mr. President. May I just remind you that in the Philippine Development Plan, your target of rural poverty, not just total poverty. So she's asking about rural poverty.
Aren't you surprised with that column?
What's your opinion?
But I'm asking, are you surprised? Suddenly, this columnist is heaping praise on the president. From the time this president assumed office, she has not said any good word, and then suddenly there is praising.
Point being,
There must be some reason. Is she laying a predicate?
what do you mean by that?
But anyway, the president asked me to give his response to this columnist. He said, tell her, I hate being patronized. F you.
Really? May F you? Is that your addition or the president?
That's what he said, F you.